I come from far away.
Je viens de loin.
I come from far away.
Je viens de loin.
I come from far away. I come from the hairdresser.
Je viens de chez le coiffeur.
I come from the hairdresser.
Je viens de chez le coiffeur.
I come from the hairdresser. I come from the kitchen.
Je viens de la cuisine.
I come from the kitchen.
Je viens de la cuisine.
I have just seen your message.
Je viens de voir ton message.
I have just seen your message.
Je viens de voir ton message.
But you just ate.
Mais tu viens de manger.
But you just ate.
Mais tu viens de manger.
But you just ate. You just missed your parents.
Tu viens de rater tes parents.
You just missed your parents.
Tu viens de rater tes parents.
You just missed your parents. They just came home.
Ils viennent de rentrer à la maison.
They just came home.
Ils viennent de rentrer à la maison.
I just come from that way.
Je viens de par là.
I just come from that way.
Je viens de par là.
I just come from that way. You have just taken a shower.
Tu viens de prendre une douche.
You have just taken a shower.
Tu viens de prendre une douche.
You have just taken a shower.
Tu viens de prendre une douche.
I just bought some bread.
Je viens d'acheter du pain.
I just bought some bread.
Je viens d'acheter du pain.
I just bought some bread.
Je viens d'acheter du pain.
I just finished my book.
Je viens de finir mon livre.
I just finished my book.
Je viens de finir mon livre.
You have just missed your train.
Tu viens de rater ton train.
You have just missed your train.
Tu viens de rater ton train.
You have just missed your train. He has just arrived this instant.
Il vient d'arriver à l'instant.
He has just arrived this instant.
Il vient d'arriver à l'instant.
We have just heard the news.
Nous venons d'apprendre la nouvelle.
We have just heard the news.
Nous venons d'apprendre la nouvelle.
We have just heard the news. You have just done your homework.
Vous venez de faire vos devoirs.
You have just done your homework.
Vous venez de faire vos devoirs.
You have just done your homework. They have just got their results.
Ils viennent de recevoir leurs résultats.
They have just got their results.
Ils viennent de recevoir leurs résultats. Ils viennent de recevoir leurs résultats.
I just woke up now.
Je viens de me réveiller maintenant.
I just woke up now.
Je viens de me réveiller maintenant.
You just finished your work.
Vous venez de terminer votre travail.
You just finished your work.
Vous venez de terminer votre travail.
She has just called you.
Elle vient de vous appeler.
She has just called you.
Elle vient de vous appeler.
She has just called you. I have just shared the screenshot.
Je viens de partager la capture d'écran.
I have just shared the screenshot.
Je viens de partager la capture d'écran.
He has just sent me the link.
Il vient de m'envoyer le lien.
He has just sent me the link.
Il vient de m'envoyer le lien.
He has just sent me the link. He has just destroyed my life.
Il vient de détruire ma vie.
He has just destroyed my life.
Il vient de détruire ma vie.
I have just looked over there.
Je viens de regarder là-bas.
I have just looked over there.
Je viens de regarder là-bas.
I have just looked over there. Did you just see her?
Vous venez de la voir?
Did you just see her?
Vous venez de la voir?
Did you just see her? I have just heard about you.
Je viens d'entendre parler de toi.
I have just heard about you.
Je viens d'entendre parler de toi.
I have just heard about you. She has just broken my heart.
Elle vient de me briser le cœur.
She has just broken my heart.
Elle vient de me briser le cœur.
I just spoke to him.
Je viens de lui parler.
I just spoke to him.
Je viens de lui parler.
I just spoke to him. I just left my college.
Je viens de quitter mon collège.
I just left my college.
Je viens de quitter mon collège.
I just left my college. We have just enjoyed the party.
Nous venons de profiter de la fête.
We have just enjoyed the party.
Nous venons de profiter de la fête.
We have just enjoyed the party.